Dear students, next question from the screw gauge. It is also one of the NEET based question. So please listen. Two full turns of the circular scale of screw gauge covers a distance of 1 millimeter on its main scale. The total number of division on the circular scale is 50. Further, it is found that the screw gauge has the zero error of minus 0.03 millimeter. While measuring the diameter of the thin wire, a student notes the main scale reading of 3 millimeter and the number of circular scale division in line with the main scale as 35. So the diameter of the wire is, so some option is given in different millimeters. Okay, so in this question, first what is given, what ask. Okay, so shall we see the solution? Okay, listen, I'll read one more time as well as I'll write the given datas. Two full turns of the circular scale of a screw gauge cover the distance of 1 millimeter on its main scale. That means here pitch value is given indirectly. So we know that pitch value, that formula, pitch formula, you know what is that? Distance moved on pitch scale, distance moved on pitch scale, that is a main scale. So distance moved on pitch scale divided by number of rotation. So here the distance move is given, that is 1 millimeter is moving for how many rotation? For 2 rotation. So this is equal to 0.5 millimeter. So this is known as pitch value. So pitch value initially we find 0.5 millimeter. Okay, the next in this question, the total number of division on the circular scale is 50. So we can find the least count. So least count formula, you know, least count is equal to pitch value divided by number of head scale division or circular scale division. Okay, so pitch value we know, that is 0.5 millimeter divided by number of head scale division is given as 50 in this question. So 0.5 divided by 50, this is we can write as fifth table. So 0.1 divided by 10. Okay, so 0.1 divided by 10 we can write 0.01. So least count of the given screw gauge is 0.01 millimeter. So this is the least count. So least count is okay. Next, I'll read the question. Further, it is found that screw gauge has zero error of negative 0.03 millimeter. So now the zero error is given. Okay, zero error is given. So I'll write here itself. So please listen. So zero error of this apparatus minus 0.03 millimeter. So this is, you know, zero error. So what about zero correction? So you know already from the theory, zero error, zero correction is same magnitude but opposite. So zero error is minus 0.03 millimeter. So zero correction is plus 0.03 millimeter. So this is zero correction. It is important value. Okay. Next, again I read the question. While measuring the diameter of thin wire, they are measuring the diameter of thin wire. Okay. While measuring the diameter of the thin wire, a student notes that the main scale reading of 3 millimeter. So main scale reading is given. The main scale reading means what? That is, pitch scale reading. Okay, so just I remember to you. Okay. Just I remember. So this is main scale or otherwise pitch scale. This is head scale or otherwise circular scale. Okay, so here they given, while measuring the diameter of the thin wire, a student notes that main scale reading is 3 millimeter. That means pitch scale reading. Pitch scale reading is 3 millimeter. And the number of circular scale division in line with the main scale. அப்போ PSR வேல்யூ 3 மில்லிமீட்டர் காமிக்கக்குள்ள இங்கே சர்க்குலர் ஸ்கேல் எந்த டிவிஷனில் கோஇன்சிடென்ட் ஆகிருக்கு? எது கோஇன்சிடென்ட் ஆகும்? த ரெஃபரன்ஸ் லைன் கோஇன்சிடென்ட் வித் ஹெட் ஸ்கேல் டிவிஷன் ஆஃப் 35th லைன். ஸோ ஹெட் ஸ்கேல் கோஇன்சிடென்ட் இஸ் 35th line, that is 35th division. Okay, so this is given to us. So therefore they are asking the diameter. Shall you find the diameter? First you should find the observed reading. Observed reading only actually initially the diameter. Okay, after that we want to find correct reading. So observed reading formula, observed reading equal to PSR, that is pitch scale reading, plus HSC, that is head scale coincident, into least count. So observed reading is nothing but actually the diameter but without zero correction. So observed reading equal to PSR is 3 millimeter plus HSC is 35th line into least count is 0.01 millimeter. So observed reading equal to 3 millimeter plus 35 into 0.01, we can write 0.35 millimeter. Therefore observed reading equal to 3 millimeter plus 0.35, we can write 3.35 millimeter. This is actually observed reading. Okay, if there is no zero error means this is the actual answer, but we have zero error, that is negative error, so zero correction is positive. So now we want to consider this value. So finally I can write, therefore correct reading, actually this correct reading only the exact diameter of the given wire. So correct reading formula, correct reading equal to observed reading plus or minus zero correction. But in our case, zero correction is plus 0.03 millimeter. So this value only I am going to take. Therefore correct reading equal to observed reading is 3.35 millimeter plus 0.03 millimeter. Therefore correct reading is equal to 3.35 plus 0.03, that is equal to 3.38 millimeter. Actually this is the diameter of the given wire. So this option is matched with the option D. So option D is given as 3.38 millimeter. I hope you understand this question. Okay, thank you.